Hi, this time I'm going to talk about the Zhiyun M40 LED light and how loud is the noise from the fan that is keeping the light cool. So we're going to put it at 100% at full 40 watts and we're going to see and hear how the fan speed ramps up and how is the noise. Okay, so we have just started. So this is maximum power. And the fan has started spinning at the lowest speed. Now it ramped up. Now it's going even faster. Maybe you can hear it. Now it's going faster. Another ramp up. Another one. It's even louder now. I think this is the loudest, probably. Okay, so I think this is the loudest it will go. So, that's it. You hear it? And if we turn it off, quiet. So that's it. This is the noise test for the Zhiyun M40 portable LED light. It's very powerful and very loud.